chapter na yon, okay na yun.
Okay na si Princess.
Okay
Alright,
na.
next chapter na tayo. Alright, how about you, Caprice?
Bumalik sa bahay ni Kuya, gusto ko po, kahit as a housemate or house guest, gusto ko po talaga na mag-try ulit yun. Kasi once in a lifetime experience lang po siya. So para may experience po yan ng 2 beses, why not po? Kaya na-excite po ako at mas i-enjoy ko po at for sure, lalaki po yung group of friends ko kapag sumali po.
Twice in a lifetime na.
Yeah.
How about you, Heath? Yan.
Ako po kasi nami-miss ko rin po yung bahay ni Kuya and ayun nga, it would be a great opportunity to go back. So, ayun, okay naman po ako na bumalik po sa bahay ni Kuya kasi na-enjoy ko rin po ng sobrang stay ko doon kasi it was like a big sleepover po with my friends kaya super na-enjoy ko po talaga. And yung, kung bumalik po ako ulit, I'm just gonna do the same thing, just enjoy po, like Ashley said. I'm just gonna enjoy my stay a lot more and not really worry too much about the outside world and just enjoy the entire process.
Enjoy the moment like I
So siguro mas maging vocal lang ako.
A braver side of Clifford. Abangan natin yan. How about you, Marco?
Honestly, I don't really know pa sa ngayon. So, at this point, I'll leave it to God kung ano mang mangyari. But for me, I'm just gonna be open to whatever opportunity na ibigay sa akin at kung naaayon ko yun sa path na gusto ni Lord para sa akin. And siguro, yun nga, dahil magkakaroon ng bagong bahay, it's gonna be a new kind of experience. And I would be thrilled to try it at least one more time. And with different set of housemates naman kasi I believe na magkakaroon naman kami ng different dynamics kapag napapasok ulit ako as a housemate. Pero ayun, siguro something that I would change. Honestly, wala talaga kasi by that time it's gonna be a different timeline na. So by that time may mga bagay na rin ako natutunan at kasi I believe na there's always room for improvement. So I'll always see it as that na the reason kung bakit ako makakabalik man, kung magkakaroon ng All-Star, is because meron pa akong kailangan i-discover sa sarili ko at isasama ko yung mga housemates at yung mga taong nanonood sa journey ko na yan.
Now let me call on our Sparkle AVP, Boss Vic Del Rosario, our Sparkle Senior Managers and Officers, Ms. Tracy Garcia, Sir Daryl Zamora, Ms. Ross Chavez, Mr. Mike Foss, Ms. Mean Regalo, and Ms. Lois Ordonez for a photo with our Kapuso housemates.
Ka ba kung may all-stars? Parang may pag-alila. Tanong ko yun. Meron ba pag-alila? Parang meron kang hesitation.
Oo, yeah. Siyempre kasi nakakatakot din. And during the time, I really missed my family, of course. A lot of things happened din kasi. So, ano din yung takot para sa akin, but at the same time, just really open. And alam ko naman sa sarili ko na I had pure intentions in everything that I do. And I just want to really learn in life, of course. So, may takot, ano doon lang syempre yung takot na mamimiss ko ulit yung family ko, mawawala ulit ako sa tabi nila, but at the same time, I'm just really open and whatever happens, happens.
Nung nagsimula ka, parang hindi masyado maganda yung reception mo. Pero pagbalik mo, ikaw na yung favorite ng viewers kaya ka nakabalik, diba? How does that feel na pagbalik mo, na turn around mo yung public perception?
Thank you for that question. But
Maraming
honestly,
nagsasabi dapat Big 4 ka daw.
yeah, when I got out for the first time, I was really shocked. I was really overwhelmed by how people's perception about me is. And talagang nagulat ako kasi when I was inside, I was really doing great. I really believe that lahat ng housemates talagang tinatry kong mas makilala, nag-i-impart ako sa kanila, and it has been my goal to bring the best out of every housemate na nakakasama ko. At maging nandiyan lang talaga to support them. But ayun nga, unfortunately, na-evict ako as a second evictee. So I was really sad kasi naniniwala ako na there's really more for me to show. And nung nagkaroon ng wildcard, I was just eager to get back inside the house. I just really wanted to get back at gusto ko lang maipakita at mapatunayan sa tao na this is who I am. And ito yung pinaglalaban ko. And from the very beginning, this was my pure intentions and this is how genuine I am towards the housemates. And ako naman na nakabalik, I just did what I do, and I just really focused on improving, focused on stepping up, and focused on to be there sa bawat housemates na nakasama ko na ulit kasi I really missed them a lot.
So nung na-evict ka before Big Four, wala nang regrets for you kasi
Yeah.
na gusto ka na ng tao
Yeah.
after.
Yeah, honestly, I'm just really happy. I'm just really happy na nakita ng tao yon sa akin kung gaano ako ka-pure, kung ano talaga yung pinanggagalingan ko at yung pinaglalaban ko. So, kahit na hindi man ako nakaabot ng Big Four, naging masaya na ako dahil the fact na the people chose me to be back as a wild card is a huge blessing na, and sobrang thankful na ako na nakabalik talaga ako ng bahay, and I owe it to them. Everything that I did as a wild card, I owe it to the people. At gusto ko lang ipakita na kung ano yung tiwalang binigay nila sa akin, yun din yung tiwalang ipapakita ko, at ipapakita ko yun bilang pasasalamat sa mga taong naniniwala sa akin.
Along with this, na-impart mo yung advocacy mo about your...
Yeah, about my brother. Well, kasi I've been the one in the spotlight, you know, kasi ako yung artista sa family namin. But when I got inside the house, I really wanted to make it about the people behind me, the people who shape who I am. And malaking bagay doon is yung brother ko. Yung brother ko who was very supportive, na kahit hindi niya naiintindihan yung mga bagay na ginagawa ko, he was there for me. He was there to love me, to show me na kahit anong pagdadaanan, nandiyan lang siya to be happy for me. So, I wanted it to make about my brother and my parents na ever since I was a kid, ever since I was a child star, talaga nandiyan sila to support me. Siguro it's my way of giving back to them. It's my way of thanking them sa lahat ng sacrifices na ginawa nila para sa akin.
Last two, may plans ka ba for Holy Week?
Well, this Holy Week, I just want to spend it with my family. I'm just really excited, and yeah.
Homebody ka.
Yeah, siguro outing siguro with relatives, just to unwind kasi it's been overwhelming then. But yeah, reconnect lang din with myself and just be happy, you know.
Oh, sundutin ko na rin yung series namin sa pet. We're making a series on pets.
Oh,
Can you,
pets.
do you have pets?
Oh.
Can you talk to us about your pets?
Oh my.
So,
New Year, naramdaman niyo bang may maingay sa labas?
May mga narinig kaming
Fireworks.
fireworks, syempre. Kahit maaga pa lang may narinig talaga kami. Kaya actually nakakaingit din na
Oo.
may part sa amin na syempre, sana makita natin yung labas. Sana makita natin yung mga kaganapan. Ang ingay talaga, ang daming turutot. Ang daming gano'n na...
Yeah, of course. Alam mo
Pero
na.
sobrang happy talaga. Sobrang once in a lifetime experience. Yun din yung sinasabi namin sa loob na as in, we're so grateful na we got to spend Christmas at New Year sa loob ng bahay.
Inside the house, yes.
Opo. And syempre, sobrang ganda rin naman ng Christmas at New Year namin na binigay ni Kuya
Yeah,
sa amin.
I saw that
Busog
episode.
na busog din kami. So, sobrang happy talaga.
Pero first Christmas and New Year mo yun away from your family?
Oh, yeah. Away from my family, away sa bahay namin sa Cebu.
Oo.
First time.
Gusto talaga nila Shih Tzu na pango.
Shih
Tapos
Tzu-
Shih Tzu na
Shih Tzu
pango,
na
tapos malaki
pango.
yung mata.
nababuhok.
Yun talaga kasi yung laging hinahanap ng family ko. Pero ngayon, medyo nag-a-adjust pa kami. So, ayan. Hindi pa namin alam kung kailan kami kukuha ulit ng dog.
Okay, kaya kita solo lang.